Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I had a great night at the beautiful McLeod Provincial Park right by the lake with the ducks. I had a little workout this morning, jogged around the park, and then I had a shower. Basically this trip has been like glamping. I've been either able to jump in a river or lake or have a shower almost every day. Unheard of for my trips. We're about 40k from a town, so I'm gonna head into town and grab some breakfast. I haven't even had to tap into any of my emergency supplies because I've always been somewhere close to where I can grab food. All right, gonna suit up, then let's hit the road. It's a balmy 15 degrees. That's different than yesterday's 2 to 4 degrees where I started out. Like I said earlier, this is a beautiful spot. The only thing last night, there's a mine close by, and so you could hear the truck scraping away and beeping almost. There is potable water here, so I'm going to take a chance to fill up my water bottle. The weather for the next few days looks unsettled. Well, I was under the impression that Long Lake was a tad bigger, but there is nothing. There is a Robin's Donut and Mom's Chicken. I think my prospects for a cappuccino are slim. Robin's Donuts it is for something. I did manage to find a fake cappuccino from a machine. French vanilla latte. Pushed it, and now we're out of gas. Luckily I've got a few extra liters. I'm chugging along. Luckily I have a little pull off here. I'll get to use my little bladder. Got 73k, doing about 130. Let's see what kind of a mess I make and how much I lose. 17k from the gas station. Carries almost 4 liters, but it wasn't full up. So I'm a little concerned. I only got 227 kilometers out of that tank. There's an accident up ahead. Benefits of being on a bike. Looked like an old lady was pulling across the road and got smoked. Looked like she was alright though. I made it to Cochrane. Google Street View. Then I'll check out Cochrane, and it'll be me. Hi everybody. Do 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 do. Here I am on Google Street View. 5th Street and 11th Avenue. Bye Google. Okay, I was gonna wait till I was actually in Quebec to try this, but I stopped at a little side stand, Triple P. And I had the option with my burger, so I said, hey, why not? That's a real poutine. Not the fake stuff you get out west. Proper side stand burger, known as casse-croûtes in Quebec. Growing up, we used to camp in New York State, and there was a little side stand before the border, and it had the best French fries ever. Just fries, cheese curds, and gravy. All right. Sometimes, like I said, you find some of the best food at these little side places. This one wasn't one of them. It was okay, nothing special. It's 140k to the next gas station. It's 5 o'clock, but I think I'm gonna just ride for about an hour. If I can find something in the next hour or so that looks enticing, then I'll take it. That was basically my dinner then, so I don't even have to I've got some snacks for later. Is that super stressful? The bike is surfing everywhere. So that main road now took me onto this secondary road. It's not as gravelly, but rough. Alright, that was a crossover road, and now we're on another main gravelly surf track. Ben, just comme ça, je suis arrivé en Quebec. And just like that, I arrive in Quebec. And the road's paved. That's unusual. Normally, Quebec's roads are much more shit. Anyway, it's getting dark. I don't want to be driving too much longer. That was quite tiring. Alright, I found a camp spot off of a main logging road. It's not ideal, but it'll work for the night. It's pretty late. It's 8 o'clock already. Set myself up. No shower or creek or lake swim for me tonight, so I'm a bit dusty from the logging roads. We're into Quebec now, and we're gonna start our long slog north. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. I lied. I found this creek not far from the campsite. The water does not look very inviting, but I'm dusty and hot, so I'm gonna risk it. Along with tonight's drink of choice, Smirnoff Ice Berry Blast. A combination of citrus, blueberry, raspberry, and cherry. Here's to hoping I don't get some waterborne disease. Can't even see the bottom. Somebody built a dam here, so I'm assuming that people swim in this. One can only hope. Hopefully the brown tinge is not anything more than dirt.